Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will teach you how you can scrape leads from LinkedIn as easy as possible. So even a beginner can understand what I'm trying to say here and what I'm trying to teach here basically. So I have put a simple trigger here where you can just click this execute workflow and it will trigger the automation. And let me tell you what this automation is. It will scrape leads from LinkedIn and send it to Google Sheet. You can either send it to Google Sheet, uh, like you can if you want, or and then after that you can send it to either WhatsApp or Telegram or email, anything you want. And the most important part is how you can scrape leads from it. I mean that's why I know that's why you are here. You can basically scrape leads from LinkedIn using API. If you don't know, you need to create an account there, and then you need is a HTTP request. After that, you need to import CURL. This import CURL makes this automation works every time you click the execute workflow button. If we use this, it will just scrape leads once, but we need this whenever we click execute workflow. So we'll just go here in this website. This is apifydocs.com. Go to run actor synchronously with input and get dataset items. Go to CURL, copy this, import CURL, paste it here. Okay. After that, you need to scroll down a little bit and see this value. You need to click this button. You need to add the token here. The token you will get is from your settings. Go to API integrations. Here, if you don't have, you can just create a new token and just create, and you will get this token. I already created it, so I just copy it and paste it here. Okay. After that, scroll down a little bit. Specific body, select using JSON. Go to your LinkedIn scraper one. This is LinkedIn scraper by Babity LinkedIn job scraper. Click this JSON button and copy this thing. Go to your LinkedIn using JSON. Paste it here. And there's one last thing we have to do. You see this link. This actor world. We need to add the ID here. ID of what? We need to add the of this URL. You see this? This. You need to copy this and paste it here. And that's pretty much it. We will execute, and after that it will scrape leads from LinkedIn and show us here. We have to. It will take some time, so we have to wait a little longer. I might have to fast forward this clip. If we go to this actor, you will see it started running. It started running, and it will scrape leads from here. As you can see, we got the data. You can see this. This is a marketing manager strategy and planning from Uber company. If we scroll down, we got another, and this is we got like 50 items here. As you can see, we can add this to Google Sheet, Google Sheets. Here you need to if you don't, you need to create a new credential and connect your Google Sheet account here. I already created it, and after that you can see I already made a new sheet named LinkedIn Scraper. I will just select that, select this sheet, and let me see. I already created this column name, company, job year, anything you want. See, we got like this much data from the LinkedIn. You got the ID, you got salary, you got the title, anything you want to add. I just made the three. I mean I just I don't I'm not trying to extract any list. I'm just showing you what's how this works. After this, anything, just say company name, anything you want to name, just add company name, anything you want to add in the name, anything. I said job, contract type, anything you want to add, it will show in the Google Sheet when I execute the step. you will see it did it. Company name, and if we go here, see the data is added here. Now whenever we click the execute button here, it will scrape the leads, send it to Google Sheet. After that, you can do is either use Telegram. The Telegram part is it is pretty simple. Let me show you how you can do that. I have to create credentials. X6 token. We need to open Telegram. So I will teach you how you can make a new bot live here, because I know many people don't know how you can just go to this bot for the name. Just search this in the in a search and get this. Set this new bot. Please choose a name for the bot, anything you want to call it. Bot. Choose a name, I think, with and it with keep in mind and it with bot so that it will create. See, we just need to copy this API. This is API. Copy this. Come here. Go here. You create new credentials. Access token. Just save it here, and it's done. And it's done. Now what we'll do is we got this bot name. This we need to type anything here and see if that works. See, we got the we got it is working. Node execution. So this trigger is working. Now what we need is we need to go to again search Telegram. See this, send a text message. Open this Telegram account. We need a chat ID. Chat ID is here. ID. And in the text is what you want to see. You can add anything. Hello, this is others, and you can even send the message from here. Hello, this is others. Anything, the data you want to send, first name, last name, anything. See, and that's it. Include this trigger if you want. You just need to connect these two, and after this we'll execute the step. I think we have to start again. It will scrape leads, send it to Google, and send it to Telegram. We have to fast forward. I don't know, it forgot the data we scraped before, but no worries, we will scrape it again. No, there's no issue in that. You will scrape leads from there, send it to Google Sheet, and send it to Telegram. That's it. Scrape the data, it is sending it to, and you can see live here I received the data. See, hello, this is others. See, we got the data. Anything you want to add here, you might think I added something here. JSON. See this, there's something wrong with this message. We can add anything. Now you can see we got the data from the Google Sheet. You can add anything, company name. If you think you got only 3 items in the Google Sheet, because we only made it three columns there: company name, and job. Anything you want to make here, if this is the Google Sheet, anything you want to just make a new column here, and you can add anything you want in the Google Sheet. And after that, once you add it in the Google Sheet, you will see it here as well. And then you can send it send it here, like if you want anything you want to add, and after that it will just send it to your Telegram. So this is a simple automation I showed you today how you can make it, and I hope you guys like the video. If you have any other doubts, you can connect with me on LinkedIn, or you can just comment on this post. I will try explaining it in the next short, or in the comment section, or make a new video, anything possible. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like the video. See you in the next one.